Hi, welcome back to me. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for all the cute and lovely responses to my vlogs and shorts. This video is Q&A. This is my first Q&A video which I am doing on my YouTube. Episode 1 maybe we can come up with many episodes if I get a great response on this one. I have posted this story on Instagram on last week that asked me some nice interesting questions, like anything questions that I will answer it on my YouTube page. So I have got a lots of questions which are very interesting and common and basic, so I will try to answer all that questions over here. So let's just get started. This is my first Q&A. I'm super excited. I have posted the story last week. I just got delayed. I was not having time, but now I have time, so I'm gonna make this video today. Let's just get started. I have just maintained some questions, just shortlisted some questions. I just got 40 to 50 questions. From that, I have shortlisted maybe 33 questions that will get started. First of all, I'll just answer off to all the common questions which I got. I can't answer that one by one, so I'll just answer that right now. Hi, my name is Komal Gaikwad. I am Marathi. I live in Navi Mumbai. I work in Ghansoli. Navi Mumbai, I work in Reliance RCP retail corporate sector, and my age is 28 and my birthday month is September. I have two best friends, one is Rasika and one is Shivani. In my family, there's mother, father, and my little brother. His name is Akshay. So yeah, this is basic information about me. I got lots of questions regarding this. So yeah, that is it. So I'm not gonna answer that again and again. So let's just get started. I'm super excited. So the first question is the hottest and prettiest crush I found here. Really, I wanna meet you in Pune. Can I? So sweet. Thank you for the compliment. But I can't come to Pune. We can't meet. Pune, I have one thing. My स्मॉल काका, मेरा छोटा काका रहता है वहां पे पुणे में. So yeah, but thank you for asking, but the answer is no. The second question is your Snapchat ID. One second, I don't have any Snapchat IDs. I am not interested in Snapchat. मैंने लाइफ में हार्डली 1 या 2 बार इंस्टॉल किया रहेगा. उसमें कुछ स्ट्रीक्स रहते हैं, ठीक है, वो थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग रहता है, बट इट्स जस्ट गेट मी really like bored. I don't like Snapchat. I'm not a big fan of Snapchat. I just can't handle Snapchat. So I have like WhatsApp, Instagram, YouTube. That's it. Nothing else I use. Third question is, if there is one bygone fashion style that needs to be brought back, what should it be? Really nice question. I really like that because I like fashion, clothes, glam, girly stuffs. So for me, the bygone is Bipasha Basu. आज अब मैं सिखा दूं प्यार की भाषा. I like her style. I like her body. I like her face. Bengali face. Jol khobe, mochi khobe, sab khobe. I just like her. I just like her style. In her era, when she was like young and like 20s, 30s with John Abraham or whatever, she was unique. Next door girl. Her style was different. Her hair was different. Her look was different, and the tone of her body is very attractive. So if there's a bygone, she needs to come back with the great style, and she will kill it. Thank you. We'll move on to the fourth question. That is from one of my friend. Are you a full-time vlogger? If yes, we can collab. I can collab with you anytime. Her name is Rupali. She is my best friend Shivani's brother Shubham's friend Rupali, which is my new friend. So yeah, I will be happy anytime to collab with you. The fifth question is, what's your perfect date night in your mind? Nice question. I am a pretty simple, chill girl. There's no fancy fantasy thing happening in my date. Maybe later on, but the basic and the most perfect date I would love to have it is like, I'm a bitch. आई एम अ बीच पर्सन. बीच को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? I don't know, but I am a beach person. I am obsessed with sunset, waves, and I get like peace over there. So I will like to sit there and just enjoy the sunset with like some old music. I like old music, like vintage retro music, some slow, old romantic music. That will be a perfect date night for me. Just chilling there, having some sweets, and just lots and lots of laughters and talks until the sun is set. The moon is up in the sky. There's little stars twinkling up there. Yeah, that's the date night. जब तक सो नहीं जाते, आंखें बंद नहीं हो जाती, हम उठेंगे नहीं वहां से. Sixth question is, I have nothing to say but you look stunning. Oh, ये मैंने जानबूझ के रखा है, इसमें मेरा तारीफ है ना इसलिए. Thank you so much. I have nothing to say but you look stunning. You have so much to say because you say that I'm stunning. Thanks. Seventh, that was not a question, right? It was a compliment. It's okay. Seventh is, when you will be coming to Goa. ये जो मैंने लिखा था ना, क्योंकि मेरा फोन है, आई हैव ओनली वन एक्सेस टू व्लॉग, सो इफ आई सी द क्वेश्चंस आई कांट व्लॉग, सो इफ आई नीड टू व्लॉग आई नीड टू note down that questions, right? So I've noted all the questions in the diary, but while noting down the questions मैंने पढ़ा नहीं था, मैं देखी फटफट लिखा and that's it. Now I'm reading all the questions. I want to cry. Goa, we can come next year. I am dying to come to the Goa. Goa is my favorite place. I love Tito's Lane. मैं इधर हूँ, मेरी आत्मा उधर है. Okay. Me and my friends, Shivani, Rasika, Jiju, Prathamesh, Akshay Bhussare. Just come. मेरा लिपस्टिक ये हो रहा है. Just come next year. Let's just go to the Goa. अभी ये साल पॉसिबल नहीं है, क्योंकि भाई दोस्तों के साथ नहीं जाएंगे तो मजा नहीं आएगा. मैं अकेले आके अपने दोस्तों के साथ आके क्या करूं? It's a group now. We can't go anywhere without our group. So we are gonna come next year, not this year. 8th questions, are you Maratha? मैंने ये शायद से आंसर कर दिया in starting. Yes, I am Maratha. I'm Hindu Maratha. जय हिंद. 10th question, sorry, 9th question. Where do you buy clothes from? ये शुभम भैया ने पूछा है. This is my best friend Shivani's brother, younger, elder brother. So thank you for asking this question. I am obsessed with clothes. मेरा बस चले, मेरे पास जितने भी पैसे रहेंगे, किडनी विडनी सब बेच के मैं कपड़े ले लूं. But I am not a brand girl. I like to shop, thrift shop and local shops, street shops, whatever shops you can call it, like random shops. मुझे जहाँ पे भी कपड़े अच्छे लगते हैं, I just go and check and buy them. I am more into exclusive कपड़े, because if you go in malls and shops, उनके पास एक ही कपड़े 100 लगे हुए रहते हैं. I don't like that. I am walking in one outfit and the other girl is wearing the same outfit. I am okay with the same outfit, but wear in a different kind of a way. But I am also wearing the same stuff. She's also wearing the same stuff. I just can't handle that. I don't know why. I just can't handle that. So I like exclusivity, uniqueness and all that stuff. So thrift shop and local shops give nice and different clothes, and also they are cheap. So I don't buy brands. I don't buy expensive. Also, I don't repeat my clothes more often. So I buy cheap clothes, so I just wear it some number of times and I don't wear that again. So there's no particular shop, mall or brand or website. I don't shop from website as well. It's just local shops, but most of my clothes are from Bandra, Hill Road and Linking Road. That is the best way to shop for girls as well as for boys. I don't believe in जेंडर व्हेन इट कम्स टू क्लोथ्स. लड़की के कपड़े लड़की भी पहन सकते हैं, लड़की के कपड़े लड़के भी पहन सकते हैं. इसका मतलब ये नहीं घाघरा चोली दुपट्टा पटियाला पहन लो लड़के, नहीं. there's a way to wear it. जिसको समझ में आता है इट्स ओके, जिसको नहीं समझ में आता है इट्स ओके. बट आई डोंट बिलीव इन जेंडर दैट थिंग. ओके, so that was my answer. I hope you like it, Shubham ji. Okay, I don't know how I have so much of energy. मैं ऑफिस से आई हूँ and I'm just making this video. बहुत टाइम से पेंडिंग था. I thought let's just make it and wrap it fast. The next question is, what you do exactly to look cute and hot at same time? दैट इज ऑल्सो अ क्वेश्चन एंड अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट. मैंने जानबूझ के डाला है इसमें क्योंकि इसमें मेरा तारीफ है. आई डोंट नो व्हाट आई डू to look cute and hot at same times. Maybe you look at me the same way, but I just stay however I am. I don't overdo something. Lately when I was like younger, I used to do some stuffs to look cute. I used to do overdo to get the attention and all, but अभी मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. मैं जैसे कपड़े पहनती हूँ, जैसे बात करती हूँ, दिखती अच्छी हूँ, मुंह खोला तो गटर हो जाता है कभी कभी, but now I just don't care. I like clicking pictures, so I post in a certain way. I have a certain body language to post it, so maybe that looks like that. And I guess I have a like round chubby cheeks cute face, so I look cute as well. But thank you for asking that. God, we have more questions and I'm on 10th right now. The 11th question is लग्न झालंय का नाही. नाही, इकडे सिंदूर आहे, इकडे गळ्यात पण काय नाही, कुठेच काय नाही, माझं लग्न नाही झालंय, नाही झालं लग्न. 12th question is, when is the next part of life in New York versus life in Mumbai coming? रसिका शिवलकर ने क्वेश्चन पूछा है मुझे. Thanks रसू. ये आएगा maybe next week. Let's just see what this boy is doing. Nice, he can share some content with me. Let's just see what I am doing, so according to that, but he has sent me some clips. We can make that next week. Stay tuned, babe. 13th question, what mood are you wearing today, sweet or savage? Sweet, always sweet. Savage, I don't know how to do that. I'm not a savage kind of a girl. I'm just a sweet girl. I just know how to talk sweet. 14th, let's go on a date. No, I don't go on dates. 15th, why are you looking so seductive? I can understand. I already mentioned that I have a certain body language. I have my certain style of posing in pictures which conducts me as seductive, because I pose like this way all the time. My mouth is open. I don't laugh because I have extra teeth, which I don't like to show when I'm clicking pictures because it does not look nice. मेरा मुंह ऐसा लगता है ये कान के इधर सब फट गया है मुंह. I don't look nice, so I just keep a little bit of mouth open and pose, which maybe looks seductive or cute sometimes, but yeah. 16, one song that feels like you in audio form. Nice question, thank you for asking. My song when I feel is like Lag Ja Gale, the old vintage song. That's my favorite song and I really feel myself in that song. I can sing that song every day. 17, I like your blonde hairstyle. Thank you so much. This is not so much energy put in this. मतलब मैं कोई पार्लर या सैलून नहीं जाती हूँ. I just like purchase Garnier का 2 boxes because my hair is long. So I just purchased Garnier ka 2 boxes. I did little history and research on it. I just did little research on it. कि ये कैसे लगाते? Is this a nice brand? I just checked some ratings and review on it. It was pretty decent and also cheap, which is under my budget, and it looks nice also. This is my second time using Garnier, so I'm using right now is like chocolate brown color thing going on. That looks really nice on my skin tones. So yeah, I am in love with my hair right now. 18, what makes you happy? इसके बहुत सारे आंसर्स है, बहुत सारे आंसर्स है, but if I want to give a nice and serious answer to this is my friends makes me happy. They really makes me very happy. Of course my family makes me happy. Other things are also there which makes me happy, but मैं मेरे फ्रेंड्स के साथ बैठी हूँ, कुछ नहीं भी कर रही हूँ, कुछ बात नहीं भी कर रही हूँ, हम किधर जा भी नहीं रहे, कि इधर भी बैठी हूँ, it's like गोवा में भी हूँ, it's like my home. So wherever I am with my friends, they just makes me happy without telling anything. They know what I want, okay, so they take care of it. There's zero pressure or judgment or hesitation. I like to be free and at peace. No disturbance, no annoyingness, no irritation. So they are just best. They makes me happy. एक ही चीज में आपको 100 चीजें मिल जाती है तो आप खुशी होंगे ना. So I have my 2 best friends that they make me happy. दे रियली मेक मी हैप्पी। चीजें भी है, खाने पीने की चीजें भी है, घूमने की चीजें भी है। लोग बोलेंगे प्यार करना अच्छा लगता है या घूमना अच्छा लगता है, खाना पीना अच्छा लगता है। आई गेट ऑल दीज पैकेज इन वन डील। दैट्स आर माई फ्रेंड्स, दे आर माई फ्रेंड्स, दे मेक मी हैप्पी। ही ही कोको। 19th अब तक कितने प्रपोज आए काउंट तो मैंने किया नहीं है, बट आई वॉन्ट टू अप्रिशिएट ऑल द बॉयज। इट टेक्स अ लॉट फॉर अ बॉय to propose all the time, get rejection or maybe get the proposal. कभी भी like 100% में से 90% लड़कियों को प्रपोजल आए रहेंगे, 10% लड़की सामने से प्रपोज करती है. सो kudos to all the boys, they have like guts. हमेशा उनको पहल करना पड़ता है हर चीज. सो देर आर लॉट्स ऑफ एफर्ट्स. कोई कोई मतलब बहुत ऐसे इंट्रोवर्ट रहते बट दे स्टिल डू इट. लड़कियां कितनी भी फ्री हो कुछ भी हो, बट इट्स लाइक हमेशा लड़के आने चाहिए सामने से. that is the thought process. but मैंने कोई काउंट नहीं रखा है, but appreciating boys. 20 what are you pursuing in your career? Nothing. I don't have any interesting answer to this, but I am pursuing nothing. I like to work, which I'm working right now in retail sector, that is 9 to 6 job. Weekend I am free. I like to click pictures. I like to go out with my friends. I like to do some videos, some dances, some singings. I like to shop. I am more into like fashion and all stuff, some glams and accessories, all that type of stuff. If I have money or something like that, I like to open my new shop or a boutique which is full of unique and freestyle dresses that a boy can also wear and a girl can also wear. So that's the vision right now, but I'm not pursuing any career right now. 21 तुम इतनी ब्यूटीफुल हो तो बनारस में क्यों नहीं हो तुम डियर? थैंक यू सो मच. Banaras, I am obsessed when I see it on Instagram, the pictures and reels. I really want to go there with my friends. Let's just see if we can plan and come there. Thank you for asking. 22, have you ever been on a blind date or would you like to go with any follower? Blind date? No. Not possible. Past, present, future? No. I am not in that, maybe in that zone. Whenever, wherever, I don't support blind date. I don't know why. Maybe that doesn't work for me or I don't think like that. I don't know blind date मतलब क्या होता है exactly blind date. Maybe कहीं पे बात करते हो और मिलने चले जाते हो, फिर वहां जाके पता चलता है कि ऐसे और आंखें खुल जाती. I don't know. Sorry. No blind dates. और किसी follower के साथ जाना चाहते हो? No. 23, when are you getting married? Manisha, ये क्वेश्चन मैंने इसने डाला है because she is my friend Manisha from college days. She's asking me this question. Babe, it's you first then me. 24, why girls always feel that they are doing well in their life? Nice question. I don't know आप कौन से लड़कियों से मिले हो, but the girl I have in my life, the girls I have in my life, they never felt like that. They never felt like that they are doing everything right in their life, including me. I don't think I am doing everything right in my life. Humans है, normal है कि कभी लगता है कि मैं सब सही कर रही हूँ क्योंकि सही जा रहा होता है, कभी मुझे लगता है सब गलत हो रहा है, मैं कुछ गलत कर रही हूँ. बट मुझे नहीं लगता. हम ऐसा सोचते हैं कि हम सब कुछ सही कर रहे हैं. Okay, the girls are mostly overthinkers, so we always think 10 situations in our head. Okay, if we are doing one thing, we think 10 situation what can we can do more about it. But I don't think so. We think everything is going right in our life. No, I don't think so. Have I lost? Yeah. 24, why girls or sorry ye ho gaya. 25, hi love to see your post and vlogs, how you manage your normal life, corporate life and social media life. किसी ने तो एक क्वेश्चन पूछा, ये मुझे भी नहीं पता. आई एंजॉय डूइंग दिस. इट्स हेक्टिक, टाइम नहीं मिल पाता है, बट समटाइम्स व्हेन आई एम ट्रैवलिंग, आई एम इन द ट्रेन और वॉकिंग और आई एम इन ऑटो, सो इफ आई गेट टाइम आई जस्ट एडिट सम ऑफ माई पिक्चर्स देयर, आई एडिट सम ऑफ माई व्लॉग्स देयर, आई एडिट सम ऑफ माई रील्स देयर. तो जिधर बीच बीच में मुझे टाइम मिलता है, इन ऑफिस ऑल्सो ब्रेक्स में मुझे कभी टाइम मिलता है, तो मैं वो एडिट करते रहती हूँ. पोस्ट करना तो 2 मिनट का काम है, मैं इंस्टाग्राम पे पोस्ट कर देती हूँ. रील्स बना के ड्राफ्ट्स में रख देती हूँ, मैं पोस्ट कर देती हूँ. and vlogs. So I just make every day and I edit. Abhi I am used to, because I'm doing this from since a year or year and a half. So I'm used to now. एक बार आपको आदत लग जाती है तो it's like the procedure is faster. So मैं it's pretty easy when you love what you're doing, you are interested in what you're doing. So I manage accordingly. जब भी बीच में टाइम मिलता है I keep doing on it. Mostly weekend मुझे ज़्यादा टाइम मिलता है, so I do more videos on it. एंड दिन भर में आई व्लॉग, देन रात को मुझे टाइम मिलता है, देन आई एडिट एंड आई कैन पोस्ट दैट नेक्स्ट डे. Also like Canva, CapCut, ChatGPT has made life pretty simple. So easily everything just लिखो सब कुछ आ जाता है, copy and paste. 26. How did you start vlogging? I started a year or a year and a half back. Its first thing was to divert my mind actually. I also like talking and making videos and just capturing some of my moments, and capturing the things that I see through my eyes. So you can see that things through my videos or vlogs, making some funny videos with my friends or something like that, just sharing my point of views, whatever. If it's nonsense, if it makes sense, I don't care. I just like to do that. Also in lockdown I started doing that, but I was not consistent. Now I'm pretty good at it. So yeah, it was ऐसा कुछ सोच नहीं था उसके पीछे. I just thought let's just start doing this. Also बहुत कुछ हो रहा था लाइफ में, so to divert mind, to just focus yourself on some positive side. So that was my thinking to start vlogging. 27. Do you support LGBTQ? Yes, I do. There's nothing wrong in it. We are humans. There can be different feelings. Just I have no knowledge, a proper knowledge about it, but I do respect and support LGBTQ. 28. What's the craziest thing you've done lately and early? Nice question. Thank you for asking. Lately I have get these tattoos. Okay, this is my first tattoo and this is my second tattoo. ऑफ कोर्स इसमें कुछ क्रेजी नहीं है, टैटू सब लोग करते हैं, इसमें ऐसा कुछ क्रेजी नहीं है. बट द क्रेजी थिंग इज व्हाट आई हैव इंक्ड, दैट इज द क्रेजीएस्ट थिंग. ओके, मैं इसमें डीप में बाद में जाऊंगी, बट आई जस्ट रीड आउट. यू कीप मी वाइल्ड, आई कीप यू सेफ इज द टैटू. ओके, सो दिस टैटू आई गॉट लाइक मे बी लास्ट टू लास्ट, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर. हो गया 1 साल तो हो गया रहेगा मैंने ये टैटू निकाला था. या लास्ट ईयर नवंबर ओनली, नॉट दिस ईयर, लास्ट ईयर नवंबर. सो इसका अगर ये आप सुनोगे तो ऑफकोर्स डिफरेंट लगेगा, बट देयर इज नो डिफरेंट वे. आई हैव inked this tattoo thinking, let me be myself, correct me and support me. I will correct you and support you, whatever the situation is. I won't judge you. That's the meaning of wild in my head. So I've get this ink. ये सुनने में भी बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है, but just because of the word wild, it just misquote something. Of course वो हो गए, वो तो लोग सोचेंगे, but I just wanted to get that tattoo. So yeah, that is the craziest thing I have done lately. I can go in deep about this topic later on in my next vlog. I have to just answer all of these questions right now. And early, बहुत पहले, I don't know what crazy thing I have done early. I can't think as of now, or maybe I can't tell. किया तो है मैंने बहुत कुछ, maybe I can't tell. मैंने नोज पियर्सिंग कराया है, 1 बार नहीं 2 बार. 1 बार मैंने कराया था, मैंने पहना, फिर मैंने पहनना छोड़ दिया, फिर वो जो होल स्पेस रहता है वो बुझ गया. ठीक है, फिर मैंने 1-2 साल बाद वापस से कराया, फिर वापस से मैंने पहनना छोड़ दिया, वापस से वो होल चला गया. अभी यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है. So I think that's the craziest and stupidest thing to do. If you're not using that thing, जिस चीज के लिए किया है, if you're not wearing anything, don't do it. First of all, if you have done it and नहीं हो रहा है, just leave it. बार बार करना doesn't make any sense to me right now. I don't know मेरा क्या दिमाग चलता है. वो भी मैंने गन शॉट लिया था, वो इतना दुख रहा था, और फिर मैंने यहाँ पे भी कराया था. $29. If you have to keep one secret superpower, what would it be? Nice superpower. होने के लिए तो बहुत कुछ हो सकता है, बट आई हैव ओनली सम अमाउंट ऑफ पीपल इन माई लाइफ विच इज माई फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स. सो आई वॉन्ट, of course I will be capable in some day, but I want a superpower where I have the power to keep them happy all the time, give them anything they want, just pamper them with everything, my families as well as my friends. किस पे भी उंगली रख दे बस, ये चाहिए तो चाहिए, सब सब मिल जाए उनको, किसी भी चीज की कभी कमी ना हो. एंड ऑल्सो इफ आई वॉन्ट, मैं सबका एज कम कर दूं और एक पर्टिकुलर एज पे स्टॉप कर दूं और हम बस खाना खाएं, मजे करें, चिल करें, यू नो, कभी भी कोई प्रॉब्लम्स ना आए लाइफ में. इट्स अ लॉट, इट्स नॉट काइंड ऑफ अ सुपर पावर, बट इफ आई गेट लाइक वरदान काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग, सो आई वांट टू मेक ऑल दीज चेंजेस. लाइफ गोल, ये सेम क्वेश्चन हो गया ना, मैंने बता दिया पहले इसमें. लाइफ गोल, ऐसा तो कोई लाइफ गोल है ही नहीं, बट जस्ट इफ इन फ्यूचर मे बी आई वांट टू ओपन माय ओन शॉप ऑफ फुल ऑफ क्लोथ्स, केजी शॉप. छी. 31, what do you do for living? I work in a retail business 9 to 6, weekend I'm off. 32, are you actress by any chance? No. 9, acting जमत ना आपल्याला. 33, do you know someone from nickname of Komdi? This is my friend Akash from school old days. We were together in classes, so he has asked this question. कोमड़ी निकनेम नहीं है, मुझे बेसिकली बचपन में कोमल इतना कॉमन नाम है. क्लास में 10 कोमल, कॉलेज में 10 कोमल, ऑफिस में 10 कोमल, हर जगह कोमल कोमल, बहुत सारे कोमल रहते थे. इट्स वेरी कॉमन नेम, और कोमल को एक ही चीज आता है चिढ़ाने के लिए, नाम सबको ही है कोमड़ी कोमड़ी कोमड़ी. सो इट्स नॉट अ निकनेम, सब लोग बस ऐसे चिढ़ाते थे. सो ही इज माई फ्रेंड दैट ही इज आस्किंग दिस क्वेश्चन. सी, इट्स लिटरली all the questions are done. I hope you all enjoyed all the questions. It was really fun and full of excitement. I hope we can do this in another segment as well. Hope you all like all my answers. Hope you all come back to me. I'll just close the vlog. Meet you in next vlogs. Keep coming back with many interesting questions. Okay guys, do like, share, subscribe to me and to my channel. Do coming back. Okay, जिसने subscribe नहीं किया है वो please subscribe किए for some fun and entertainment. Take care of yourself. Until next time. Okay, bye.